Nem que parece a Rocinha.
A leopard who cannot change his spots, a tiger, a dragon, a horny bull scratching his back on the barbed wire, looking out. I broadcast live, Lionel. I am Fernando
É,
Monroe.
galera, essa Rocinha.
With emotion.
Aí, gato. De novo. De novo. Esse carro aqui é fácil. Tome. 10 segundos, cara. É, ó.
This isn't a cooking show.
I know that, bud. Give me a fucking break. How are you, Mr. Hyde? Fucking mighty with your big city ideas, and you come down my way and I'll go fuck you up, boy. Fuck you up proper.
Eu ficar procurando um táxi. A polícia, ele quase que dá. Eu bato. A polícia. Propósito. Não, sai. Cadê o cara? Vai chegar. É outra. É aquele mesmo Jeep que eu tava. Aqui é o táxi. Vai, em casa, desgrama.
I know everyone in the
Esse driver.
Well, as you can see, the people are very excited here in Ecuador for the changes we have brought about to this community.
Fantastic. Even a racist
Pedestrian.
made to feel good by a story as heartwarming as that. See, foreigners, you see our way.
Deixa eu tirar os balões do mapa. Desgrama. Parece tudo aqui na frente. Não tinha nada aqui.
Thanks, Michelle.
Aqui, vem. 50 passageiros que eu tenho que levar. Liga o veículo.
How old are you, Michelle?
Tem umas coisas diferentes aqui, então. Não é só entregar nos
Caller.
passageiros. Tem um espantômetro, né?
Let's go to another news segment. Heinrich Havelock is on the ground in Quidibam, in Quadibin, in buttfuck nowhere in Venezuela.
Esse plantão.
Call me Phil. Okay, so Phil, how sweet life as indigenous chief?
Well, as you can see, there's not much forest left here. Thanks to the great chainsaws the Americans
Pô, se tiver dessas daí vai ser demorado, hein?
equality and harmony with nature, now I am the boss man. I get to sleep with all the women of my tribe, while husbands must pretend to like me and let me win and go.
That's great.
Now we build condos, chain stores, mega churches. Soon todas las turistas come and see me sleep with
O cara vai andar o fim do mundo, tá o fim do mundo, velho.
grande carro. We have thunder. I am knight of rose. I have big strong.
Heinlein, can I interrupt for a second?
Bueno, que cuando tú estás
Shut up with you dirt-bagged throwback.
So, let me get this straight. You mean this guy was a savage and now has got a real sense of morality?
Yeah, he's gone from his system of stagnation
Virar uma Havana.
to one of progress to ruthless competition.
That is magnificent! And you'll have more time down there if this pledge drive doesn't get cooking. It may be a while before we wire you some more money. Thank you, Heinlein.
Meu Deus.
Music is what makes Vice City great. This is the city of the future.
Ah, tá.
Bugs love tennis illegitimate babies. Skank.
Agora eu tô de Se eu for muito bom, coisa que eu não sou,
hero on your crotch.
Lazy Surprise, featuring Saturday morning cartoon heroes like the Barf with Big Fruity Barf.
I'm in your pants, kids. I love you, Big Fruity Barf.
Little Lazy Surprise, available in girl. 6 sizes, not available in all states.
I've got a little lazy surprise. Oh, Daddy, please close your eyes.
Ô, trem. Não tem ninguém, ó. Ai. Meio longe isso aqui, né? É. Eita, vou tá errado. Dá. Let's go.